So my sustained investigation for 3D art, 3D AP art, is how does textile and identity shape who we are as human beings? And one of the first things that I remember thinking about was food and culture. And for those who don't know, I'm actually mostly Nigerian, a little Jamaican, but I just say I'm Nigerian. And so I immediately think about the food and I think about the textile itself. And so this completely went out on this piece, and I actually remember being asked what was this from various people because it's not super obvious what it is. Someone told me it looked like a hot dog. I was like, what? But it's a table with basically some food and some plates on it, and I want to add some super pretty designs to mimic the kind of African print that we have in Nigerian, specifically Yoruba culture, as well as showcasing a miniature version of the food. I was going for jollof rice, although I feel like now that I look at it, it doesn't really look like anything. But right now what I'm doing is I'm painting the table yellow, and I'm going to go back in and add a nice pretty coat to it. I said coat, I meant patterns. So I'm hopefully going to use like some circles, some triangles. I'm really obsessed with circles though, and I do see that a lot in a lot of Nigerian fabrics I see. So just watch me paint the yellow because the clay itself is brown, and I really want it to look as clean as it possibly can, considering my lack of skill when it comes to sculpture art itself. So yeah, and then after this, again, the pattern.